everyone, so today we are going to cook shalgam or turnip with chicken. And we need shalgam, 1 kilo, 2 pieces of onions, 2 pieces of chopped uh, tomatoes, green chili, half teaspoon of garlic paste, half kilo of chicken. And here are the ingredients. Alright, so let us start. Preheat the cooking pot with oil, and once the oil is already hot, we can start frying the onions. Alright, so let us fry it until it becomes golden in color. Avoid making or frying it so much because we are going to grind it. While frying the onion, we can put all the ingredients inside the blender, and then once it's already golden in color, we can mix also the onions, so the fried onions. All right, so here it is. Let us add a half glass of water, and then grind it or blend it nicely, and then pour it again back to the oil and fry it until it becomes golden in color, or the oil is almost separating from the mixture, just like this. So it's almost there. So here it is. It should be like this. And then add now the chicken. Alright, so let us cook the chicken until it becomes also, or the oil is separating also. Then add salt for taste, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and it's up to you if you want to add turmeric as well. Some are adding turmeric. And then once it's already done or a little bit cooked, you can add the shalgam. Alright, then add water, or 4 glasses of water. Alright, mix it nicely and then let it boil. Alright, so just like this. Cover it for 1 hour in a very low flame or fire. So here it is. It's over, almost done, and it's done. Now it's cooked, ready for eating. So let us eat. If you like this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me your comments down below. Thank you for watching.